morning, students. Welcome back to General Knowledge class. Now, I am explaining page number 65 to 69. Yes, page number 65. Windy section. The air around the earth is always moving. The moving air is known as wind. Given below in the column A are names of local winds of different countries. Match them with the countries in column B. Norta. Norta is Norta wind, Mexico. Jonda. Jonda is in New Zealand. Simoon wind, Saudi Arabia. Samoon wind, Iran. Khamsin, Egypt. Berks, South Africa. Mistral, France. Armatian, Sahara Desert. Nor'wester, Argentina. Brickfielder, Australia. Next है बच्चों पेज नंबर 66. Tug of war. The pages of history shows many wars were fought between countries for land, power, and wealth. Given below are the important events that took place during or after a particular war. Read them carefully and name the war in space provided. First है बच्चों, Lord Canning was the Governor General. Bakht Khan from Bareilly replaced the Mughal prince Mirza Mughal in July 1857. Bahadur Shah II was arrested by Lieutenant Hudson and Humayun Stop. ये बच्चों जब लॉर्ड केनिंग वाज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल था तो ये कब का है? इंडियन वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस और रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857. सेकेंड है बच्चों, जर्मनी बिगेन इट्स मेजर वार ऑन 1 September 1939 अगेंस्ट पोलैंड. King Victor Emmanuel assumed the command of Italian armed forces on the resignation of Mussolini in June 1943. UNO was formed after this war. कब? ये है हमारा वर्ल्ड वार सेकेंड. वर्ल्ड वार सेकेंड के बाद ही यूएनओ फॉर्म हुआ था in 1945. Third, in the beginning of war in 1775, the British believed that they could win the war by crushing American strongholds in the north. After 3 years of fighting, with no results, the British forces began to concentrate on the south. Finally, a combined force of American and French defeated the British under General Cornwallis at Yorktown on 19th October 1781. आंसर क्या है? अमेरिकन वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. अमेरिकन वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. फोर्थ, Archduke French Ferdinand was assassinated at Sarajevo, and this became the immediate cause of war. The Lusitania, the British liner, was sunk by German U-boat on 7th May 1915. League of Nations was formed after this war. First World War. Fifth is, in 1964, North Vietnam torpedo boats allegedly attacked 2 American destroyers in the Gulf of Tonkin. In 1969, President Nixon began to withdraw troops while bombing the north of Vietnam. The conflict eventually engulfed Laos and Cambodia, and more than 60,000 Americans, 72 million Vietnamese were killed. Vietnam. Do you know है the shortest war on the record took place in 1896 when Zanzibar surrendered to Britain after 38 minutes. Next है बच्चों the great reformers. The great people will always be remembered as long as we read the history. Given below the description of great reformers of the world, read the descriptions and write their names in space provided. ये सारे के सारे सुधार जिन्होंने किए हैं ग्रेट रिफॉर्मर्स महासुधारक. फर्स्ट है बच्चों he worked for rehabilitation of leprosy patient. He received Padam Vibhushan in 1986, Baba Amte. Second, she helped hundreds of slaves to their freedom. दास थे उनको फ्रीडम दिलाई. US Postal Service issued stamp in her honor in 1978. Harriet Tubman. Third, he is an icon of civil rights movement. He was also awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Martin Luther King Jr. Fourth, he started Chipko movement and fought for the preservation of forests in Himalayas. He was awarded the Padam Vibhushan in 2009. Sundar Lal Bahuguna. ये तो आपको सबको पता ही है, आपकी हिंदी वाली बुक में भी था. चिपको मूवमेंट, इन्होंने जो भी ट्रीज काटते थे ये ट्रीज के साथ चिपक के खड़े हो जाते थे. इसका नेम क्या दिया गया बच्चों? चिपको मूवमेंट. Fifth, he made efforts to bring the country's more than 50-year-long civil war to an end. He was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1958. Juan Manuel Santos. Sixth, he helped the millions of landless people and started with Bhudan Gramdan movement. He was also awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1983. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Seventh, she devoted her life for the welfare of mentally ill, and this led to the widespread international reform. A crater on Venus was named Dix in her honor. Dorothea Dixie. Dorothea Dixie. She is working for the girls' right to education. She was also awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai, who is the founder of Sulabh International, an organization that promotes hygienic and sustainable sanitation. बिंदेश्वर पाठक. बिंदेश्वर पाठक ये हमारे सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स हैं. इन्होंने बहुत सारे काम किए, जैसे किसी को दास प्रथा खत्म करा दी, जो लैंडलेस पीपल थे उनके लिए भूदान ग्रामदान करा दिया. गर्ल्स राइट टू एजुकेशन इन्होंने वर्क किया मलाला ने. तो इस हिसाब से इन्होंने कितने सारे अपने यहाँ पे ग्रेट रिफॉर्मर्स हुए. अब बच्चों आपने पेज नंबर 65 से 69 राइट करना है. और बहुत अच्छा कोट है, सेल्फ बिलीफ एंड हार्ड वर्क. will always earn you success. अपने पे ही विश्वास और हार्ड वर्क तो बच्चे बहुत जरूरी है. हार्ड वर्क से ही आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी. ओके, आपने पेज नंबर 65 से 69 अपनी बुक में राइट कर लेना. थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे.